hair loss practitioner, and I do hair rejuvenation services. So a lot of the clients that I see come in and they do have traction alopecia. They have no hair along the sides, in the back, sometimes the front, and a lot of it is due to tight styles, ponytails, wigs, glue-ins, braids, and tight wigs. Some of those wigs with that black band, they're very, very tight, and they begin to rub the hair off along the perimeter. Okay, now of course at Plentiful Hair Studio we have pharmaceutical grade treatments, drops, supplements, and all of the like. But we do offer several consumer-friendly retail products that you can use for your traction alopecia. Explain something before we talk about this. A lot of the times I recommend you going to a center and getting a microscopic scalp assessment, right? So what that will do is they will show you microscopically a before. So if you use any type of products or treatments, when you come back in 90 days, you can see if there's a change, to see if you are wasting your time, to see if it's not working. Because a lot of the times, to the naked eye, it looks like it is not working, but much to most people's surprise, they will see a difference. You look at yourself in the mirror every day. You're not going to notice if you see a few new hairs. You're not going to see it. So a lot of times people think, I don't see anything, and they stop. But you have to be consistent with this type of thing, the same way you have to be consistent with working out. It's the same. One of my favorites is the Nutritress Edge Repair Night Drops. Now, somebody might use this and say, it didn't work. Nope. Did you have the 90-day, the microscopic scalp assessment first, and then come back after 90 days of use to see if you notice any results? That's what you have to do. Now, there's no guarantee. I would never do that. However, try it first and see if you get some results before you say it does not work. But it requires consistency. So a lot of people get drops and some type of treatment, and they come back and they say, it didn't work. I used it every day. And I say, do you have any left? And they say, I got almost a full bottle. Another treatment that we offer is Traction. Now let me just say, I am Team Phyto. That is the main product that we use, line that we use in the salon. I became impressed with Phyto a couple of years ago, and that is what we use in the salon, and I love it because I like the natural aspect of it. But I've noticed a huge change in my clients' hair from Phyto. So another one is Traction. Now Traction you use 3 times a week. Now again, like I said, I recommend you do this microscopic scalp assessment first, and then we will monitor and see how you do after 90 days. But this is Traction. I think it retails about $75-$80. I have $70. Okay, so Traction is natural, and you put it on 3 times a week and you massage it in. Now, a lot of the products that you have to use, you have to be consistent. And here's another trick, even if you're not getting something like that, whatever you're using, it's not gonna work on a dirty scalp. I have to tell people that, because I do have people who want to use treatments on the edges or treatments on certain areas, but they want to use heavy oils first. The heavy oils are blocking whatever product you're using. So you have to make sure that you have a very clean environment. We actually have scalp cleanser, like a deep cleansing scalp cleanser that we also offer as well here. So those are 2 great things to get those edges back. Interested in the Nutritress Edge Repair or the Night Drops or the Traction, you can get those here, or you can get them online. You can just get them, okay? Because you have to, and first you have to make sure that you really do have traction alopecia. Sometimes it's hereditary, hormonal, or something like that versus traction. But most people that have traction alopecia, they know it's from traction, right? And traction alopecia is normally in the front and around the perimeter. Start trying to treat it now, because hair loss is progressive, and whatever style is causing you to lose your hair, stop wearing it. Stop. There are a lot of cute styles you can wear that don't pull your edges out. So stop wearing it. Start treating it. You don't want to come in and get a microscopic scalp assessment. Get one of those. Nowadays, the iPhones and the Samsungs have some amazing cameras. Take a really good picture of your hairline before. In 90 days, take one after and do a side-by-side comparison to see if you are seeing any results. Because a lot of the times you will get discouraged. But whatever you're doing, do it consistently for 90 days. Now, I'm not saying that you're going to be Rapunzel, but if you see a change in 90 days, then you'll know that if you continue using it, you will see a greater change, more hair in that area. But anyway, if you have any questions, email me at info@plentifulhairstudio.com. Send me a DM, send me an email, blah, 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 all that good jazz. Thank you for watching my video.